This 2021 K-Z Sportsmen LE 270th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used K-Z is 30 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, stove-top burner, awning, auxiliary battery, external shower, air conditioning, skylight, smoke detector, leveling jacks, Colorado Detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 K-Z Sportsmen LE 270th is 5,470 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.